That's the medium speed. The light is not acting correctly. Now I switched it to low speed, it hasn't switched at all. Now I switched off the fan, it's not switched off the fan. Now it's supposed to be on the highest speed. The fan switch is not, control is not working at all. Now I'll switch off the light. That is fine. Now fan is switched off. 3/3 speed. This medium speed just doesn't work. It just keeps switching off the light. And third, the lowest speed again doesn't work.